about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. All right, homies and homettes, what's good? So, we're at my cousin's house right here. Now, you watched the vlog a while back. My cousin cooks sushi. My cousin's wife. So, I thought it'd be a good idea to come back for some seconds. You know, get it on 30 rolls minimum. But not only do that, maybe give you a little insight on how she makes it. So maybe you can join in on the fun and make you some sushi at home. So, let's go right in. Whatever.
So, I could take a good 15 minutes and shred this myself.
What is that?
The imitation crab meat.
Oh, okay.
But I have a cheat. I go to the Asian market and I get it pre-shredded for me. It just saves me time.
Gotcha.
So here I put sushi vinegar basically on my hands to keep the rice from sticking.
Is that the sushi vinegar?
Yes, and so they call it seasoning because this actually has sugar and salt already added to it.
Okay.
It's another little hack I do instead of mixing it up myself every single time. If I can't find this, then I will do it. So it makes it to where the rice doesn't stick. And your rice needs to be warm, but not too warm, otherwise the sheet just crinkles up. And if it's cold, it doesn't stick.
So did you add some of that into that rice
Yes,
already?
and so I cooked 2 cups of rice, and then I added a 4th cup of the rice vinegar seasoning.
Gotcha.
And so here we have a handful, and we're going to add this to the rough side of the sheet. So there's a smooth and a rough.
They also break very easily.
Yes, they're very brittle. And so one of the things that, when I first started, I used to...
I'm trying to roll one if I'm trying to get it down.
I want you to give it a shot.
I want to try rolling one if I'm paying attention, guys. I want to do it. I'm one of those guys that got to do it. I can't watch, I can't read it, I got to do it. Kroger and Walmart will have all this right here.
They will not have the raw. When I want raw and I am not able to get that from an Asian market, I go to HEB,
Okay,
Central Market, and they have it in the frozen section. You just ask the...
HEB got that.
Yes,
Okay.
and so I just asked
Walmart, HEB, because sometimes I do recipe videos and you'll be surprised. People don't know what the ingredients.
Definitely.
You know, so Walmart, Kroger, HEB, guys, or Asian markets.
Yeah, the hardest thing for me to locate was the Japanese mayo.
Where was that at?
You can buy it on Amazon.
Eric, see, you gotta know these things. They want to get in here and do this. They
That's
want,
right.
They don't want to watch you, and they're gonna be jealous. See, they can't be jealous if we give them equal opportunity to join in.
Maybe at a location outside of Dallas, maybe, like you know.
But everybody got Amazon, right?
Exactly.
What's it called? This is what spicy mayo?
No, that one's sweet. So the difference
Sweet mayo.
between Japanese and American is sweet. Brooklyn, please go get me the bottle from the cabinet, in the pantry that still got the label.
Sweet mayo.
I think it's called kiwi pie.
You got spicy mayo here too?
Spice mayo, the sriracha mayo.
Sriracha mayo, okay.
And then we use eel sauce, which is like a sweet barbecue
Yeah, I
sauce.
like that stuff, yeah.
Yes.
Dragon Rolls use this.
That's right. The mayo, it's on the top shelf.
I'm gonna show y'all the name of this sweet mayo, guys. I ain't playing.
Yeah.
I might start doing this at home sometime.
Just bring it. That's why I brought 2 kinds. So you have your options to buy either one.
Either one will get you right. Either one will do you right.
That's right.
Either one of these
So they're
sweet
just
mayos
different
will do you right.
brands, but same taste.
And Amazon got them too. Mm-hmm. There we go.
So this is just Philly cream cheese, and I put it a generous amount within the roll. You're going to do the first, I guess, pass over. So I hold the back side, hold the fingers on the front. Yeah, you might want to move that out of the way. And you press down. And I come from the center.
Squeeze it more.
A little bit, but not too hard yet, because I'm going to add more.
Okay.
Also, if you do squeeze it too hard, it makes a triangle shape because of the way your fingers are shaped.
Okay.
Okay, and so for this particular roll, I'm going to add in some salmon. So this is raw. I use a half sheet to make the roll small enough to fit in their mouth. But with adults, I go full size. So I go to full size sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and scoot this back.
Man, this thing is big already. Let's watch it work. Let's see how she get it in there.
And see, gotta pull it all the way in. Check that seam. And it's okay if some of the toppings come out. We just push those sides in. That is massive. Hands. Get some more of that vinegar on. Dredge it. I tried to use a circular pan and it was just too big. So I'm putting on the ends. I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to add it to the panko. These are the panko breadcrumbs. My hands are just messy. You just get in there. Just roll it in. This ain't about looking pretty. Move this around so it kind of gets a little bigger, but you don't want to splash yourself. Remember, we're dealing with oil. And I like to use a deeper pot. Okay, so look at that inside.
The thick too. Texas thick.
There you go.
Man.
You just leave me hesitating.
This is best for me.
Okay.
I'm gonna look foolish, but hey, my first time ever, guys.
All right, and this ain't like that ghost movie. I ain't coming up behind
Yeah, let's do it.
you. Okay, so.
So get a scoop right here. And just put it right here.
So tell us
Yeah,
yours.
we want to have it near the edge.
On like 1/4 of the area.
Yeah, so.
Okay, and a fourth.
You know, I never,
Imagine 4 even lines go on a fourth.
yeah, you're right. I never thought about it like that.
Hey! So there you go.
The avocado is pre-sliced right there for you, so you're gonna place it this way.
This is fun. I'm excited. This is dope. All right, now what I do with this? Now how I do?
I just make a line with
Put
it.
like 2 lines and just kind of get it into the fourth.
Yes,
This right here.
that's right.
I can slice it.
Oh, it's already sliced.
Okay, so you don't want to slice it any thinner. So you want to cover the whole line?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you gotta
Hey,
put
you got
more.
another piece
Oh, yeah,
right
okay,
here.
cool. Put more. Okay.
You're
Okay.
being stitchy. You got to
this
put that
one's for
whole
you.
piece
Okay,
over
okay.
there.
Okay, cool,
That's
cool.
all of it.
Make sure.
Generous amount.
So get a fourth within the line.
There you go. And be careful with that knife. You don't want to puncture the sheet.
Okay.
You make me nervous. All right, I'm gonna
Okay.
step.
There we go.
All right.
Avocado. And this is what? Mixed crab. Mixed crab.
Yes. Imitation crab.
Like imitation crab and avocado. Cool.
Okay, so the next step is we're going to make the fold. The first fold. You're gonna bring this forward. So
It
thumb.
can be 2 tucks total. 1 tuck, 2.
That's right. So
So-
thumb on the back side, fingers on the front.
1 tuck, 2, and 2 1/3. So tuck it to where I got one more good tuck in.
Yes, and you want to use the bamboo sheet
Okay.
to help
So
you.
use
with
this
it.
sheet,
There you go.
and I want to tuck that as I'm doing it. Can I give my fingers here?
Yes.
Okay. And I stuff this in as this is oozing out. Can I push it in my fingers?
Yes. That's the best method.
Okay. Like that. That's too short. Or go a little longer.
Perfect. And then slight squeeze from the center,
Kind of mold it out like this.
and then smooth out. There you go.
Kind of mold it into a nice round up top. Okay.
And now we're gonna pull back and take a look. Awesome! Look at you.
Hey.
You got this. Now we're gonna go again.
Now, is there too something as tucking too short or tucking too long?
Yes.
Can you tuck too short, or can you overextend and it's all loose on the inside? Or can you tuck it too tight?
If it's too loose, then everything falls out when
Okay.
you slice.
Alright.
And if it's too tight, then stuff oozes out. So it's a balance,
Okay.
like everything.
What I mean was, there's no problem just having a little overlap.
That's no problem.
Alright, cool.
All right, so now we're gonna go again.
Put it back here.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, we're going further. So, if you want, when I was first learning, I would bring it
Alright,
back to the
slide it back.
edge.
Okay, slide back to the edge. Okay. Now what?
Same thing again.
Same molding.
Yep.
As I'm going to take my finger like this and just try to complete the whole circle.
That's right.
Full circle it. All right. Bam. It's gone. Now make sure you mold in my hand.
So
Make sure that the bottom flat though. And mold the top. Bottom flat, mold the top.
that's right.
All right. Make love with my finger, bam. Make it smooth, mold it just the way I want it.
And then lift
And
the
then
bamboo back.
Take it back and see what we get.
You got a little bit of the edge, so we're just gonna just flip
One more flip.
time.
Okay.
And then hold this whole thing down, and then a little pressure.
Like
So
that?
what it does is it helps
Make sure it's
make the
completely
seam.
sealed. Make sure the seam is nice and tight inside, huh?
That's right. So
Put pressure over that seam so it creases in.
That's right.
That look pretty good, huh?
That looks awesome.
Is it ready to eat now?
That's better than mine.
Do I eat it like this? Or I do to it now?
We're gonna slice it. So we're gonna remove this from the workspace, and I'm going to get you the right knife.
Okay. Tuck.
Can you grab me a plate, please?
Which one?
The big one. So in the beginning, I used to always eat the end pieces because the stuff would fall out. Okay, so now we got a plate. Everything's got to look pretty.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make it into a circle shape. We're gonna take this, lay it down in a circle.
Which one is it?
This is sriracha mayo, and it's pretty thick. So I've added, once the sriracha mayo had a little room in the bottle, I added a little water to help make it drizzle easier out of the bottle. Otherwise it'd be clumpy. And so this is sriracha. We dust with cayenne powder.
Oh, shrimp right there. Ooh, we ready to go?
So this shrimp was already breaded. I put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. The information's on the back of the bag. I found at Whole Foods Market.
What do they call you?
They called this bag, it was labeled Boom Boom Shrimp.
Boom Boom Shrimp at Whole Foods.
At Whole Foods.
BOOM?
I believe so.
I'm putting it on the screen so they can look it up.
Yeah, I have.
This is a crucial part of the
roll.
Yeah.
Yes. And so once it was toasted and rolled up, I added about a 1/4 cup of sriracha mayo. And then I added some of the regular mayo to help bring down some of that
sweet
spice.
mayo, right?
There you go. And so we're going to add this on top. And so with each roll, the person is going to pick up a shrimp as well. And then the best part that she likes is there's still more shrimp for her to eat.
Yeah.
And so here we have orange on white. What we eat with our eyes, we like color. So I add some scallions. So these are green onions. Then we have our fish roe.
What are these called?
Flying fish roe. So doing that, I'm going to grab the sweet sauce. So this one is generic. It says sushi sauce. It is basically the eel sauce. And so that across the top. Thank you. And may I have the spicy mayo again?
Yeah.
There we go. Getting close to the end of that. She likes to use this on everything, it feels like. Gotta watch my ingredients. So then I'm going to sprinkle this on top.
Okay, same place. Good, all the
This I get at the H Mart.
H Mart.
That's the market, the Korean market in Plano. There's also a Japanese market that I can get this at.
What do you ask for when you go to the store?
I asked for flying fish roe.
FROW?
Roe?
Yeah.
ROE.
ROE. Flying fish roe. This is the two colors that come in.
It comes in 5 different colors.
Okay.
I have every color.
Any difference between the colors other than the color?
No.
So just a little garnish for the meal, a little
Garnish
flavor.
colors. Yeah, it's a garnish, and it's definitely the colors, and it enhances the appeal.
Yeah, of course.
And so at this point, sometimes you can add more of these rows, but
Yeah.
at this point you're really done. And so the last
they have
part,
taste to them?
do they have? They do. It's
You try.
because the green one has a little bit of wasabi in it.
Apply the spoon.
Let me go grab
Spoon?
one.
And try what it tastes like by itself, little rose.
You gonna use your fingers?
Well,
He's trying to be kind.
yeah.
We family, but you don't want
Try both.
when some viewers saying, "How can you just put your fingers in it?"
Exactly. I'm fucking done with the nonsense in the comment section.
Yeah.
I already got enough nonsense, trust me. You don't know the half. Not bad.
You gotta clean your palate before you taste that one?
No.
How would you describe it?
Man. To be honest with you, add them or keep them, it would make a huge difference. But it definitely, it has a sushi taste to it, if that makes any sense at all. Probably because they put them on damn near every roll.
Yes.
So it kind of gives you that sushi aura.
Yeah, so you feel like you're at the restaurant.
Yeah, so I'm in sushi mode.
Exactly.
So yeah, I get it now.
So when I'm cooking for people who are new to sushi and they're a little hesitant, I do not put that on the roll.
That's a cheat code. It's like, it's a mental state enhancer. It literally put me at my favorite sushi restaurant because it had a similar, distinctive taste. You know what I mean?
And then the color, because like you said, we eat with our eyes. You know, we're all about colors, and you know, it's a balance. And so we don't want something that's just brown.
Yeah.
You know, even when we're trying to eat more of the raw diet, you know, we're still about colors.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have some radishes. You get your reds. We have
nice.
the red peppers, the green peppers. You know, color.
Yeah, definitely, guys. You're cooking for a guest. You got having a date. You making some sushi. Get the. That's why I tasted it, guys. I'm glad I did. I almost just kind of rolled it out like, okay, whatever. You know what I mean? But I'm glad I got curious. This is the cheat code to making sushi at home, guys. If you've ever made sushi, you have wondered why shit don't taste like it does. When you go to the restaurant, this is probably why.
That and the Japanese mayo makes a difference.
Exactly.
Because some people will try to use regular mayo, but it has more of a lemon
Flying fish
vinegar.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. I ain't even lying. Get it. Do it by itself with no soy sauce.
All right. We even have the little dishes. There you go.
What's good, guys? My name is Chris Jones, aka Beast Mode Jones from Pump Chaser Subs. Now, one thing about Pump Chaser Subs, guys, is we are about you. Sometimes we gotta go to the gym even when we don't want to, but you know what? We live for the pump. For some of us, the gym gets us out of the darkness. I like to say lightweight. And lightweight means this: let's make heavy burdens feel light by getting stronger, guys. Let's make heavy burdens feel light by getting stronger. Lightweight, we are here for you, baby.